Hello everyone, welcome to TechBox. I'm Jasmine. Today we'll continue from our last video, which is about Google Form, and today I will show you a very useful tool in Google Form, which is Logic. First, to succeed Logic, you need to create a new section. Click on the last button on the right toolbar to add a section below the current question. Each section includes its own title and description, along with an arrow button at the top to show or hide questions to keep your form tidy. If you want to ask our respondents follow-up questions based on their answer and add sections with the optional questions, then either add a section jump to the individual multiple choice, checkbox, or drop-down questions, or to the section itself. What that means is, if I want the user who choose number to go to one section and user who choose algebra to go to another section, you click on this three dot here, choose go to section based on answer, and now person who choose number needs to go to section 2, person who choose algebra needs to go to section 3. And now we need to edit section 2 and section 3. For section 2, I'll just call it number. Section 3, I'll call it algebra. Make sure to think through where people who shouldn't see those questions are sent, or you can send them straight to the end of the form to submit their answer if there's nothing else to ask. Now just add questions to each section. Now we can check the preview by clicking the eye icon here. They choose number, we go next, they'll go to number section. If they choose algebra, click next, you'll go to algebra section. Now, if you want to be creative, make a form with Google Forms quiz mode. Inside your form setting, you'll find a quizzes tab, but you cannot do it in this form. You need to go to another empty form. See the toolbar here, click the second one, import question. You click on the form you just did, scroll down, then out to add section number and section algebra to this new form. You can move it by clicking the three dot, move section, and move it. Just move it to the bottom, and then I'll just delete it. Bye bye. Now, when you go to setting here, and you click make this a quiz. All these settings are automatically for you, and I feel like they are quite useful all the time, so you don't need to change it, but you can also go through and then see what you want to add. Some users' laptop here will show 0. If it's 0, they need to go up to whatever number point you want it to be. Also, see here, you can collect their email address, allow response editing, limit one response, show progress bar, I'll just open it, shuffle question order, confirmation message, show link to submit another response, view results summary. Now I'll go back and edit my question.
So, if I write 1 plus 1 equals, the answers will be 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can click it, but now you just add option and then add another number.
Algebra, do 5x plus 4x equals 9x, 5x, 20x, 21x.
Now, sometimes you just need to refresh to find this out, because sometimes it's not really working very well. Now you can see the answer key. You click on it, you need to choose how many points for this question. I'll just say 5, and then the correct answer is 2. You can also add answer feedback.
If it's incorrect class answer, you're gonna say keep on, study hard. If it's correct, then good job.
You can also add video or a link. Save. Done. For algebra, it's also 5 points. Answer key, the correct answer is 9x. I'll just click done. And now let's do preview. If it's number, then it'll be 2. And then this will be 9x. View score, I got 10 out of 10. Now we finished making this quiz. We go back to this quiz. We kind of need to remove these two because we already have it on the other form. Now we click on the toolbar here. We go to the untitled form because I didn't name it. Just click select all, import question. Now we have them here. Now I need to go to section 2 and section 3. This section we just submit form. Finish this as well because it's the last section, so we don't need to edit anything. Let's preview it again. If we choose algebra, go next to the algebra section. If we choose number, go next and go to number section. We click to submit. Now we finished working on logic. The last step is to design your form. Google include a header color or image along with lighter color as the background. By default, new forms come in purple, while template form often include an image. Click the color palette here. You can choose from the colors here. Click the photo icon to select a photo or select one of your own photo from Google Drive, or upload a new one and crop it to fit in as your form header photo. I'll just choose work and school and choose a football court here. Now when you choose a header color, they have different theme color for you. You can also change the font style. Forms will then automatically select a background color that matches your photo. Some headers image are animate GIFs. Unfortunately, if you add them to your form, they appear as a standard still image. Google Form can let you share the form with others to let them help to build and edit the form. It has the same sharing features in Google Docs, Slide, and Sheet. Just click on the 3 dots at the right top corner and select Add Collaborators. Now you can just type in their emails and now they can edit the form with you. After editing, you can share the form by clicking Send and choose the way you want to send your form. It can be email, links, or HTML, Facebook, or Twitter. Normally it's an email. You can edit the subject and message. You can also click to include form in email or not. You can just click Send. After everyone you want have response to the form, you can go to Response and click the Google Sheet button to make the result in a Google Sheet. And now comes up like this. You can make a table. I'll show you how to make a table in Google Sheet in our next video. This is all for today. Remember to subscribe, and I'm going to make my school perception survey now. Thank you for watching.